Hello, if you are new here, my name is Madison and this is Mad's Makeup. If you are not new, then welcome back. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be going over different Black Friday beauty sales that are going to be going on, some throughout the week, some that don't start until Friday. And I'm going to be talking first about mainly the bigger brands or bigger retailers like Macys or Ulta or Sephora, and then also some of the smaller brands and what sales they're having online. If you would like to see some of the Black Friday beauty sales that are going on, then just keep watching the video. The first retailer I'm going to go over is going to be Ulta, and the first sale specifically is going to be for the brand The Body Shop, and this is a brand that I have never actually tried myself before, but I have heard a lot of good things about them, so I want to try to snag something from this sale. Not quite sure exactly what yet, but if you have recommendations, leave me those in the comments because I would love to hear what your favorite products are from the brand. The next sale discount is going to be off of mascaras, and that is going to be $10 for various higher end mascaras. This is going to include brands like Tarte, Urban Decay, Buxom, brands that their mascaras usually range between about $21 to $25, so being $10 is more than 50% off of the product, so that's a really good sale right there. The next products are going to be from Urban Decay, and it is their 3 palettes in the Naked line. First is going to be Naked Cherry, the second Naked Honey, and the third Naked Heat. Naked Heat is one that has specifically stood out to me that I might pick up in the sale. I really like the orangey, fiery tones. The next items are going to be from the brand Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's going to be their glow kits, and these are all going to be 50% off. They all have the prettiest glow to them. My favorite highlighter is actually from their brand, and it is the Omrezi highlighter. This is not an actual glow kit, but it is still a highlighter from their brand, and so I know that I like their highlighters. The next items are going to be from the brand M.A.C Cosmetics, and it is going to be their liquid and bullet lipsticks, and the sale price for these is going to be $15. Normally their lipsticks range between $19 and $24, so it's not a huge sale, but I really would recommend trying out their lipsticks. The next sale is going to be for the brand Not Your Mother's. Everything from their brand that is included in the sale is buy one get one free, and the reason why I wanted to mention this brand is because I really like their dry shampoo. I've never actually tried anything else from the brand, so if you have recommendations, then let me know those in the comments. All right, next I'm moving on to Sephora in the sales that they have during their Black Friday sale. This first one is one that I think I want to get myself. That is going to be their Benefit Feather Brow Kit. This kit includes 24-hour brow setter, gimme brow, their Precisely My Brow pencil, some arch brow stencils, and then something else that looks like it might be a stamp. I'm not quite sure, but this kit is a really good deal. It's $20 for this whole kit, normally $34, and then I think the kit, if you were to buy everything retail price, is in the $60 range, so that is a huge discount. The next product is from the brand Kiehl, and this is going to be their Ultra Facial Cleanser, and I've never tried this myself. This sale was a really good deal that I saw. It was $15 for this cleanser, normally $34. There's really good reviews and ratings on this. Well, I'm not gonna say I can vouch for how well the product is, but I can say that the sale and that discount is really good and something to check out if you are in the market for a new facial cleanser. Next recommendation for the Sephora sale is going to be from the brand Living Proof, and this is going to be for their Perfect Hair Day Silicone Detox Full-Size Kit. This kit includes 4 full-size products from Living Proof. It looks like a shampoo, a conditioner, a dry shampoo, and one other product, and that's a really good deal because normally one of their products alone are, I believe, like $20 to $30, and if you were to buy this whole kit separately, it would be $93 value, so being $45 is a super good steal on that. I'm going to be moving on now to the Macys sale for Black Friday. The first one is going to be for the brand Philosophy, and it is their shower gels. I've heard a lot of really good things from this brand and how people enjoy their shower gels. So during the sale, the shower gels are only going to be $10, regularly $20, so that's a 50% off discount. That is the best sale I saw all around for the Philosophy shower gels. The last item I wanted to talk about at Macys is going to be perfumes. The discounts they're having during the sale is almost more than 50% off of a ton of the perfumes. This is a really good sale when it comes to wanting perfumes. Normally they can be really expensive, like $50 to $100 if not higher, and so if you can get a sale as good as 50% off, then you should run for that if you are in the market for getting a perfume. Now I'm just going to go through a quick run through of individual brands and their sales that they're having for Black Friday, and this is not going to include all of the beauty brands out there. There's just way too many of them. These are brands that I have bought from, have products that I would recommend, and these are just sales that I wanted to mention. The first one's going to be for NYX, and they are having 30% off shop-wide. Next is going to be for Sigma Beauty. They're having a 40% off site-wide. Too Faced is having a 30% off site-wide as well. P. Louise is having having an up to 70% off. I don't know what the exact products are going to be that are going to be all the way up to 70 versus lower discounts, but up to 70 is a really good one. Nomad Cosmetics is having sales throughout the week. November 24th to 26th is their pre-Black Friday. Spend $30, you get 30% off. You spend $90, you get 50% off. On November 27th, they're having their Black Friday Orient Express, and that's going to be 50% off that palette. November 28th is their Small Business Saturday for a 4-pack of highlighters, which is 70% off those. And November 30th, their Cyber Monday is 40% off site-wide. Next is going to be for brand Lime Crime. They're doing 30% off their site-wide. Wofer Cosmetics is doing 40% off everything site-wide on 11/26. On 11/27, they're doing $15 highlighters. On 11/28, they're doing $5 skincare. That's a really good one. 11/29, they're doing 50% off their palettes. Suva Beauty is doing 30 to 64% off site-wide. ColourPop is also doing 30% off site-wide, as well as new releases throughout the week. Anastasia Beverly Hills has a variety of sales, including 50% off their Glow Stick Foundation, Contour, Eyeshadow Singles, Lips, 30% off their palettes, their brows, their blush, bronzers. They have different vaults available for their palettes, so you can check all those out. Dear Katie Brown has a really good sale. Their entire store for up to 60% off, so check out their glitters. Last but not least, we have M.A.C Cosmetics, and they're 40% off everything site-wide, no discount code needed. That is going to wrap up all of my recommendations for Black Friday beauty shopping sales. Let me know in the comments what kind of sales that you might be getting into, and I know that I didn't include every single brand in this video, but if there's any specific brands that you want to know about what their sale is, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to try to figure out what that sale is. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and safe Black Friday. Bye!